Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nay, and today's video is going to be a little get ready with me. So if you want to see how I got this poppin' eyeshadow and did the rest of my face, well actually it's just like low-key I wanted to vent a little bit, talk about my upcoming heart surgery, and get ready at the same time because, you know, it's a distraction. So, yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, or if you care to know how I'm feeling, then just please keep on watching. And if you're not subscribed already, just go ahead and subscribe down below and hit the little notification bell if you want to be updated when I upload. And I promise you, I'll be uploading a lot more because your girl is out on temporary disability because of the heart surgery. So yeah, let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see. Makeup vids, like heart vlogs are clearly coming. I'm gonna be doing recovery vlogs. I will share my heart story with you, I promise. I've already sat down and filmed it a couple times and low-key cried a few and just couldn't talk and couldn't get out the words, and it wasn't exactly how I imagined and dreamed that that video would be. So I'm deciding to go ahead and re-film that. But yeah, so in the meantime, I hope you guys like this video. Yeah, so if you want to see how this look came about, then just please keep on watching. Alright, bye! If you're new, sorry about my face. I've clearly been stressing out. My heart surgery is in 2 days, and I'm trying not to think about it. So yeah, I was just like, why not? Let's film. So that's what we're gonna do. I honestly have no idea what kind of look I want to do, but I need to cover my face. It's like my face is never bad unless I'm stressing out or I'm sick, and right now I'm stressing the out. So I guess I'm gonna be using the Jaclyn Hill palette today, and since I'm not like sad, I'm like in a weird mood. I'm just literally trying to get everything ready for when I come home from surgery. So, okay, I'm using the Jaclyn Hill palette. Mine's a little beat up. I'm using this color here, and I'm just going to go ahead and go in my crease a little. But yeah, I'm not like worried necessarily so much about like the surgery. It's just like I don't want to deal with the pain. I'm a person that can take pain too. I just like don't want to deal with it right now. So that's kind of where I'm at with all of that. But as far as the surgery itself, I trust my doctor. I love my doctor. He's been my doctor since I was like 12 years old. So he's amazing and he won't let me down. So yeah. I'm just feeling very thankful. I feel like it's a little humbling too in a way because after surgery I'm not going to be able to do a whole lot of things by myself. I mean, yeah, I'm gonna heal up and I'll be able to do things by myself, but I'm going to need some help in the beginning because I'm not going to be able to lift this arm at all. So we'll see. I've never used this color before. I've only swatched it. Let's go in with this bad boy. I'm just going to use the same brush because right now I'm low-key kind of lazy and I'm not trying to get another one. And I'm planning to wash all my brushes after this. So we're already in that spot. So I'm just going to go with a little bit on my brush because I know it's pigmented. And we can just work our way up. You know, there's no need to rush. Go hard or go home at this point because I already have like this bright color on my eyes. So yeah, so right now I'm off of working until I'm healed up from my surgery, which is like cool because now I have time to record videos, but at the same time I'm like, damn, what do I do with my... And I'm going to pick up that royal blue color in the Jaclyn Hill palette, this one here, and I'm going to go ahead and put that on the lid. But I'm low-key excited because I'm thinking of it as an upgrade. Because, I mean, I do have a pacemaker regardless. I was going to have a surgery again in the future, whether it be now or later. So, get it over with. Which also comes with extra battery life. Which you're probably like, what the heck does that matter? Yes, I run off of batteries. Just kidding. Like, you know, those Duracell commercials. Actually, I think there was a Duracell commercial that had a pacemaker in it, too, a few years back. So yeah, I think that's pretty cool. But see how I just like put it inside the crease and kind of like buffed it a little bit, blend it out a little bit more. So I'm planning to still film. I'm gonna try and pre-film these next couple days because literally my surgery is in 2 days. So I'm hoping to record another video after this. We'll see. And tomorrow trying to finish everything else up and film. I have to get my bag ready for the hospital. I'm only planning there to be I'm only planning to be there for the surgery overnight, and then until my recovery is done, which I'm crossing my fingers will be the next day or, you know, before the weekend ends. Last time I went in to get a new pacemaker, whew, that was like pretty traumatizing, and that's when I had my heart infection and all of that, and I was like in UCLA for almost 3 weeks. It was literally, it was a lot. It was a lot. I've literally been wanting to do this color combo for so long, and I just have never done it. Happening right now. I still have yet to record my heart story. I sat down to record it a couple times already. I actually did record it a couple times already. It was just like a lot. It was a lot of emotion that I wasn't expecting necessarily at that point in time. And I came into it like real chill and level-headed, and it literally every single time ended in me crying, and I was just trying to avoid having a panic attack because my heart's going crazy when I'm really anxious. And one of the times that I had an episode was when I was having a really bad anxiety attack, or what I thought was a really bad anxiety attack. So I've just been trying to like steer clear of that, but I know I'm going to record it, and I'm trying to record it before I have surgery, just so that way I want to do some recovery vlogs and stuff, because recovery is hard. Recovery is different for every single person, so my recovery is not going to be the same as anybody else's. And if you're going through something, your recovery is not going to be the same as mine, just because there's different factors that go behind it. So, you know, I had open heart surgery when I was 2 years old, which was to close up a hole. I had an ASD repair. And that led to electrical problems with my heart later on, which is why I see my electrophysiologist, Dr. Shannon. What's up? Yeah, so he's my pacemaker doctor. He's my pacemaker doctor, yeah. And so yeah, I had my issues with my pacemaker. I'll go into that. And I had a heart infection and all that, and the heart infection's literally was the most traumatizing thing, but we only got stronger from that. And there's a lot of factors that go into recovery, like everything you've been through before. Like, your body's gonna take a little bit extra time, you know. Like, some people heal extremely fast, and some people just need a little bit of time. And last time when I had my cardiac ablation, I needed a little bit of time. And I've always been one of those people who's like, nah, I'm gonna bounce back. I'm gonna bounce back so fast. No, it didn't happen like that with the ablation like I anticipated that it would. But, so I'm hoping that this recovery will be smooth. I wasn't expecting it, so I'm going to prime my face with the Maybelline Master Prime. This is the Blur and Smooth one. I actually like this. I like that it's not. So I'm getting a defibrillator or ICD. I say defibrillator because I know that that's what a lot of people like recognize what it is by that. But they call it an ICD, which my heart is gonna freak out. It's gonna freak out. I'm saying that because clearly that's why I have to get it. My heart freaks out every now and again, and the bottom ventricles are pumping so fast that it's not allowing like blood to flow, which is kind of an issue, you know. So that's why I'm getting that is why I'm getting the surgery done. And yeah, so I already have my pacemaker, which is basically almost the same thing, but the ICD is going to actually shock my heart when my heart goes out of control, or those irregular, dangerous arrhythmias that it's having. So that's what the ICD, which is what I'm getting, is going to be used for. What I already have is a pacemaker. I am actually 100% paced now that I went to the doctor and found out. Before I was only 98.9, which is almost 100% paced. It's gradually gotten more and more over the years. I got my pacemaker when I was 13. But so my pacemaker basically makes sure that my heart beats on rhythm, on time, because it wasn't before. I had heart block. Well, I technically still do have everything because, you know, without my pacemaker, this YouTube tutorial would not be possible. I'm just kidding. But yeah. So this foundation looks a little bit light for me. I used to like highlight on the bridge of my nose and right here on my chin, but that's actually what I think is breaking me out. So I'm trying to stop doing that for a second and see if my skin can get itself back together again. I'm just gonna blend this Shape Tape out. Alrighty. Bring some more life into our face. With Ofra, Rodale Drive, my jam. If you guys are medium to deep skin tone, or if you just know like of a bomb gold tone highlight, list it down below. I am always in the market for another highlight, even though I get told that I have way too much makeup. I say, nah, it's never enough. Never enough. For my mascara, I'm going to be using the Double Decker Lashes mascara by Butter London. And I'm going to be putting some falsies on too, because why not? Alright guys, so I popped on some lashes off camera, and then I put some bottom mascara on and tight lined. So onto lips. Probably not gonna do much today because I'm literally just chilling. It like suddenly got really hot in here. It's a very bright color, can't you say? Okay, I'm just gonna line them and then put some gloss on top. I'm going to be using the Jordana Rock and Rose lip liner. Hey guys, so this is the final result. I am digging the eyeshadow. I actually love bold, bright colors, and I just hope I just wish my blemishes weren't there and I would make this a million times better. But yeah, kind of digging it. So now I gotta go clean my room. and maybe take some pictures outside because it's a nice day. Alright. Well, yeah, I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below what kind of videos you want to see, because I'm coming with videos. I promise, girl. And yeah, have a fabulous, magical, wonderful, beautiful, exciting rest of your day. Alright, bye guys. I'll see you in my next video. See you later, alligator. Bye!